Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy, and today I'm gonna share with you how to do timestamps or chapters on your videos on YouTube. Sometimes I watch videos on YouTube and I always ask myself how people do to make the timestamps over there, because it's just very helpful. You can click and skip the videos in the parts that you want. So I'm gonna show you how you do that right now. One thing that I highly recommend you to do is, after you post the video, go through your video and write it down on a piece of paper. What's the time that starts the sections that you wanna highlight? In my case, it's like the intro, the tutorial, and then the outro. Very easy, very simple. You see here that my intro starts in 0, of course. My tutorial starts in 0:23, and then my outro, it starts in 2:21. So those are my notes. I'm gonna apply that in my description, and then I'm gonna save. You can add any name or whatever you want. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something today. If you enjoy short tutorials, straight to the points, just like this one, consider subscribe to this channel. Leave your like and comment down below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.